Hi, I want to talk about a wonderful tool to use in recording data from field test sensors, such as the water temperature sensor and the pH sensor. I'm talking about the iPad application called the Sparkvue. First, you open the app in your iPad, then the app will open up to this page. If you are starting a new experiment, tap on the plus button. If you want to go back to your previous experiments, you can tap on the title of any of the experiments. Then you will see the graph and the data that you have collected in your experiment. Here you can see the graph of the data collected from 4 test runs. Each run is represented by a specific color. This is the graph for the pH of water. If you tap on the summation button, you will be able to see the minimum value, the maximum value, the mean, as well as the count and the standard deviation for the first run, which is evidently labeled as run number 2 in this graph. You can email the data on this graph by clicking on the email data from this share button here. Type up the email address, then click send. You can also tap on the backward or forward button so you can see the summary of the other test runs. You can also switch to another parameter by tapping the parameter name and scrolling the measurement bar up and down to the desired parameter. Then click done. Then you can have the graph of the next parameter, which is temperature. And you can do the same thing as with your other parameter. You can also find the summary, and you can also click on the different buttons so that you can see which run you will find the summarized value. That's pretty easy. With the use of ICT, we not only learn scientific skills, we also practice technological skills as well. That is what we call the new literacy. Thank you very much.